So I get asked for a beef stroganoff recipe at least once a day. I've done one before on here, but let's go again. So this beef fillet is Carrara Wagyu. It's absolutely delicious. A brown onion. Button mushrooms. Season your beef, seal it in a hot pan. Add the butter to the pan, saute your onions. Time for the mushrooms. 2 tablespoons of flour. Beef stock. Cook this for 10 minutes until it thickens. Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, sour cream. Add your beef back in. Oops. Ready to serve. Buttered egg noodles, beef stroganoff. Delicious. It's a classic for a reason.